you guys can see, I got mid-range and over here the treble. I got it all the way up. Bass, you know, all the way up. And definitely does sound better. I can honestly say that these CJ2s, they work like a charm. Compared to the bass that was in this car stock, I can say that it's a huge improvement. As you guys can see, I got the little logos right here. I stick them on there, you know, just for looks. As you guys can see, also we are 10,500 miles in, and I'm gonna do a review on how the performance of this vehicle has been to me so far. That's gonna be a good one, so stay tuned. And I also got a video coming on the side view mirrors and trim pieces that I did color match. Coming soon. Thank you guys.